Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving an easy but very interesting math problem for LeetCode 2413 called smallest even multiple in C++. The problem is a super beginner friendly that help you improve your logic building skill for coding interviews and online assignment. So let's start. We are given an integer n. Our task is to return the smallest positive integer that is a divisible by both n and 2. In simple words, we need to smallest number that is a multiple of both number. Example that the input is equal to 10, the output is 10. So sorry, the input is equal to n is equal to 5 and the output is equal to 10 because 10 is divisible by both 5 and 2. Another example, we take the input n is equal to 6 and output is equal to 6 because 6 is already divisible by 2. Observation and the logic is of this question, that is the now let's we think carefully. We need the smallest number divisible by both n and 2. This is a basically asking for the LCM, the least common multiple of n and 2. For the specific problem, we can solve it very simple observation. If n is already even, then n itself divisible by 2. And so the answer is simply n. If n is odd, then then we must multiply it by 2 to make it even. That's mean even number return n and the odd number return n multiplied 2. That's a very simple logic here. We dry run this question because let's say example n is equal to 5. The 5 is an odd number, so 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. So answer is equal to 10. Let's we take second example. N is equal to 6 and 6 is already even, so the answer is 6. Now we write our code here for this problem. uh, so so in this question, first we write our condition here. If n percent of 2 is equal to 0, then return n. If not, then return n multiply 2. And multiply 2 here. So we run this question, run our code, and our test case were passed. Submit our question. Yes, we submitted and beats 100% and 0 ms with 0 ms. So we write our code here. Let's quickly understand the code. We check n percent is equal to 0. That's mean if true the number is even, so we can directly return n. Otherwise the number is odd and we return n multiplied 2. That's it. Very short and optimized solution for this. The time complexity of this question is over because we only perform the condition check. Only one condition check here. The space complexity of this question is an O1 because we not taken extra spaces. And that's how we solve the LeetCode problem 2413 in a C++. If found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more LeetCode solution for coding interview problems. See you in the next video.